Sobrang bango nito, oh. This smells so good. Even the red, Victoria's Secret ba yun? Oo, Victoria's Secret. The red one. And then, this one also. This one is Bath and Body. Ito sobrang bango din. Pero, ito, pinakamabango. Tsaka yung red na Victoria's Secret, be. Kung may copy ako ng ano. Ayan, we're going to, July 4 event. July 4 event para sa mga kiddies at saka fireworks pala. Ayan. July 4 ngayon. Malapit lang 5 minutes drive. Punta muna tayo. Manood tayo ng fireworks. Ano ngayon dito? Magti 3 o'clock ng hapon. So meron silang mga freebies, meron silang mga raffle pa nga. May raffle sila, may freebies, tapos may mga snacks. Ayan. Attend muna tayo. Let's just attend.
Let's go to the party. It's 4th of July.
They're putting nail stickers. Show your nails, Hana. It's just now that it's red. Usually, I told them to just put cream. And this is David. I'll show you David, ha? Ayan siya. Katabi natin. Then tayo sa for July 4. Ayan, be. Naka-makeup na tayo ng konti. Konti lang. Manipis lang. Ito yung place, be. Pakita ko sa inyo. Siya, be. Oh, yan. Ganda siya. Parang greens din sa loob. Pero kapag sa mga hindi pwedeng videohan, yung hindi mag-video. Pero ito, pwede ito. Para siyang forest sa loob. Meron din silang mga kalsada. Sa loob to, be, ng base. Ang kate ng lalamunan ko. Ayan si David, baby. He's also wearing blue and red. It's raining. Thankfully, I have this big umbrella. Ito yung parking area. Ayan. Ganda, be, Bakit ba hindi ako nagpupunta dito? 5 minutes lang to, galing sa bahay. Sa loob ng base to, be. Party si David, be, Grabe, be, Boho. Bohemian. Nature pala. Ayun na yung party. Naririnig ko na yung sounds. Ayun yung water. Thank you. Hi! 4th of July! Pag naano nila. Let's eat. Hannah's eating. Where's Adasa? Hi! Konti pa lang yung mga tao. May mga Pinay doon. Kain tayo. Ayan yung mga Pinay, Beo. Happy 4th of July. They forgot his socks. Na-prepare ko na yun, tsaka shoes niya. Kinuwaan siya. Isa lang ang niya. Hi, let's eat, David. Si ate is eating. Ang ganda ng view, Beo. Let's eat. We give dessert, Beo. And baby David. Hannah is here. It's raining. Hi! Are you eating? Umuulan. Sana huminto na ang ulan, be. Namaya pa ang fireworks. Fireworks is a little bit later. Around 8 p.m. Baby David is snacking. He's drinking some snack. Hannah, you wanna try? It's like that. It's cute.
There you go. Okay, you got 3 tries. You have 5 seconds for each one. Alright? 1, 2. You have to put it under the water. The magnets are on the head, so you're too chocolate. Ready? There we go. Pull.
Yay!
Nice. You got 3 candies. You
Thank you. That's fun, games. Glitter tattoo.
Like these ones, like I have right here. Like the sparkly one. What do you like? A kitty, a turtle, a butterfly, a heart.
Wow, it's cool. Is your sister here? I heard your voice. Do you want tattoo too? She likes
Want to get one too?
different colors.
Which shape do you want?
Wow.
Looks like your sister.
Ganda na sa hair niya. Ano? Wow, that's cool.
Firework? Okay. Lonnie's gonna help you with this. Really good.
Wow! Thank you. Hannah, did you say thank you? And cute. Okay, your turn.
3 tries, 3 seconds. Go. All the magnets are in the water. You're gonna have to dunk it and then bring it up.
Ooh, 1 and 3 are raffle tickets.
Yeah.
Did it? Ooh. Candy. Candy. That was raffle ticket. Yun.
Alright, 4 candies. Pick from the start. Okay.
Puro candy. Wow.
Do you wanna? Let's do it. So you get 3 raffles, 3 candies.
Ang dami nilang game. May pa-water. You will go down. Tapos ducks. Tapos ano? Ano ba yung isa? Oh, yan o. Ring. Tapos ito, ito-throw mo yung ball. Tapos meron silang fan. Meron ding glitters. Ala, ang dami. Ito yung mga games. Tingnan natin. Hadasan, Hannah. Hi. Hadasan.
Oh, do you want a picture?
Wow. Oh, ang crafts nila. Ang ganda, oh. Gawa na tayo niyan. Let's do this. Let's do this. Tie-dye. Art and craft. Yan, gagawa sila ng tie-dye shirt. Like this. Wow. Ah, ganyan pala yan. You make it wet.
Here's one of the small. This you would pull upward and then do knots. I can help you.
Oh, you just twist the shirt.
And then you rubber band it. Do you need help?
Thank you.
Yeah, I can help you. Give me 2 seconds. And then when you're done, feel free to let me know. There is a
Want to do this color, then you do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 ng colors. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, that's how like.
changed my mind with the blue.
You want lilac? What color do you like?
I want to do red and blue. Because it's
Red and blue. Hannah, you want to make it pink? Okay, let's try it. Hindi ko alam kung tama. Happy 4th of July! Maximum of 6 daw, babe. Maybe... Wala. Busog. You wanna dance? Like them, mga Pinay.
Turn it up.
Ah, dito is smile. Ano yan? Video. Okay. Party, party! Saan pumunta tayo dun sa harap? Ah, oo. Diba yun yun? Da-dan-dan, da-dan. Mga yung kantang yan, be? Hi, Hannah! Is it fun? Nagpunta kami dito sa area ng mga Pinay, be. Kasi, oh, tignan mo, may bubong. Oh, diba? Kanina nandun kami sa may upuan. Mas okay dito. Ay, gusto ko yan. Alam mo yan, diba?
Why can't it come from myself? Life makes me nervous, the past makes me nervous.